Yeah, g'day. I'm going to talk about this Idrive throttle controller, which bought for the Patrol ZD30, and it's the common rail version. It's a 2011. So there's the box. Comes like that, so you can see the screen straight away. Bit of foam, protect it. Sticky label there for when you're sticking it onto the car in a certain point. That's how that comes there. It's cable, so you can obviously stick that, feed that through to where you need it. This is the adapter, so you're plugging into the factory throttle harness. So you unplug the throttle harness, from the back of the pedal. You plug that in, and then you plug the cable that you pulled out the throttle, or the accelerator, into there. Or other way around, I haven't looked at it yet. A couple of cable ties. Fingers getting on the screen. And a sticker. Yeah, we'll see how it works. I've been in a couple of cars that have had them, like in the Ford Ranger. So I've been in a Ford Ranger with one and one without, and definitely made a big difference on the Ford Ranger. So it'd be interesting to see how it goes on the Patrol. They do lack a fair bit of power compared to the Rangers, I reckon. It definitely feels like it, and plus the way the turbo works, it only seems to be a very small power band on the turbo. So you drive it and keep it sort of in around about that 2.5 to 3 grand revs. Seems to be your best feel. And there's your instructions. As you can see, not a lot into it. So you've got the accelerator and the module at the back with the cable. Unplug it. You plug in the throttle controller lead, and then you plug basically that first section of the wire. When they pull that out, plug that into the harness, and your Idrive throttle controller plug into this one. So yeah, I'll do a video on the install, and I'll upload that after this one.